Session 12. This is a session that talks about the menus at the restaurant. As we outlined in session 11, eating is a very important part of man's life. So businessmen may need to meet at a restaurant for a business lunch, or whilst they travel, they may need to stop to eat. This session continues to expose you to the various menus found at the restaurant and the related expression to this activity. In this session, you are expected to present in a group or in a group work the video form as stated earlier on for marking. You are expected to present an activity that happened in a restaurant in a form of video for us to mark. The key element or the key topic to be covered in this session are as follows: expressions related to menus at the restaurant, practical presentation by you, student. This is the time you present your assignment on any of the topics that we have treated, and also the assignment that will give you to do. Reading list is always attached to it for your own benefit to read and also to expand your knowledge as far as the friend is concerned. Expressions related to menus at the restaurant. You can see that the plate menu is there, the fork, the spoon, and the knife. Let's look at au restaurant, set menu or fixed menu. So in French, we say un menu à prix fixe. Un menu à prix fixe. I like, let's say I like banku better than fufu. J'aime mieux banku que fufu. J'aime mieux banku que fufu. Je préfère, I prefer fufu to banku. Je préfère fufu à banku. I don't like, je n'aime pas, I don't like fufu. Je n'aime pas le fufu. I don't really like, je n'apprécie pas trop, je n'apprécie pas trop. I don't really like. Je n'aime pas vraiment. Okay. But let's look at the menu type. So, fish dish. In French, we say le plat à poisson. Le plat à poisson. A dish, un plat. A meal, un repas. Un repas. Eggs, des œufs. Des œufs. Meat course, plat de viande. Plat de viande. What is on menu today? What is on the menu today? Quel est le menu aujourd'hui? Quel est le menu aujourd'hui? Or, qu'y a-t-il au menu? Qu'y a-t-il au menu? The day's menu. Le menu du jour. Le menu du jour. At the restaurant, you hear they say, I want a glass of wine. Oui, un verre de vin. Un verre de vin. To buy food. Acheter à manger. Acheter à manger. Continental breakfast. Le petit déjeuner à la française. Le petit déjeuner à la française. Le café au thé complet. Le petit déjeuner à la française. Bread. We say du pain. Je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. Le sausage. Le saucisse. Le saucisse. Or le saucisson. Le saucisson. Meat, la viande. La viande. First course. When you go to a restaurant, a standard restaurant, they will first of all give you the first course. And the first course in French is l'entrée. 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 Okay. So l'entrée is the first course. So l'entrée, in our sector here, some of us, when we say l'entrée, a first course, people go in for alombobites. But in a standard way, when you say l'entrée alone can even constitute a meal for somebody in a standard restaurant. 3 or 4 course meals. So in French, we say repas à 3 or repas à 4. Repas à 4 or 3 plats or 4 plats. Le cordon bleu or chef. It's a French word, chef. So in French we say cordon bleu. Serveur, serveuse. Serveur is a waiter. And serveuse is waitress. Hors d'œuvre, which is the same as what? Entrée, which is what we call in English starter. Starter. Dessert, le dessert. So after the main course, on prend le dessert. Look at this picture on the screen, and you see that everybody is enjoying the meal. So here, it says au restaurant. Let's look at the expressions that are going on, that are used over here. Vous avez choisi. Yeah, je prends. Nous prenons. I take or we take. Et nous prenons 2 menus à 20 cedis. 2 menus à 20 cedis. Je prends de l'eau à la place de vin. I take water in place of what? Wine. Je prends du poisson à la place de viande. I prefer fish to meat. Or I take fish instead of what? Meat. Ça me plaît. It's a pleasure. It pleases me. Cuisson. Sans saignante. À pointe. C'est délicieux. C'est délicieux. Simple means it's delicious. It's delicious. Je prends un dessert. Je prends un dessert. Qu'est-ce que vous avez comme boisson? What do you have as fish or fruit or wine? Qu'est-ce que vous avez comme boisson? Fruits, glace, pâtisserie. So you see, you go to a restaurant, you give your order. Je prends, I take, and having looked at the menu plate, you look at je prends, I take, then you place your order. J'aimerais or je voudrais prendre, I would like to take, then you place your order. So let's look at the practical presentation that some of you will give. As we have stated from the beginning in the outline, you will present it on Sakai and send it to me for marking. And we will all discuss it on the forum and see whether the presentation we have done is in the right direction or not. Let's look at assignments that is attached to this. Form 5 sentences of your own in French using vocabulary related to the restaurant. You use your own vocabulary. We have studied so many expressions about restaurant. So form your own sentences using those expressions. Create a dialogue in which you and your business partner order for food at a restaurant. So we want to hear expressions like je prends, moi j'aimerais, je préfère, j'aime mieux. Those expressions, you want to see them. Yes, this brings us to the end of session 12. So the menu at the restaurant, we know that the menu, we have 3 at the restaurant. We have the starter, the main menu, and the dessert. So at the end of everything, en français, we say l'entrée, le plat principal et le dessert. L'entrée, le plat principal et le dessert. So these 3, we should know them. So as I said, these expressions are the expression related to what menu and a restaurant will help us to get our way through whenever we meet a francophone, or wherever we are, wherever we find our way through a French country or francophone country, and we need to go to a restaurant to eat, it will not be a difficult task for us. We'll be able to understand, ourselves, and they will be able to understand us also, because we have been able to communicate with them easily.